Them not have nobody to war me. They would have to let out cartel out of jail. Everybody else I go fail.
Watch it, my gentle press the lefty body very messy. Knock him this special, make him frat up when you pull a Pepsi.
If he wants to clash you, would you clash him?
Winford, right now.
Only Alkaline is outstanding.
Afraid, man.
Wow.
Last time I check out them again, that with the tanking. We them call for action, white cheat and body talking.
Me no rate Alkaline still. Bumbleclad.
Crocodile, mouth like and teeth are short. Bumbleclad.
Fire the evil world, me now. For him way on the roadside of the worst spot for them play no damn me now. Watch how him hide them lock up and him Peter show.
So wagwan people, respect for tuning into another video. Yeah, and big up to all of my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, una large up on yourself. From when you see the thumbnail and the title, then you know what is on the menu today. And today we forward for talk about Alkaline and Masicka. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. Alkaline running pan the swamp and walk my Masicka head wide and the whole of the crocodile them run. Consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also leave a like on the video and share up the content so that others can be in the know. But viewers and subscribers, you already know how we do the thing already. We are going to just jump in at the intro and come right back to the video. So no don't go nowhere. We're soon forward.
I could I never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
Yes, when they come to my name, I saw them never run like them. I rock them afraid of me young fuck.
Meshi the strainer you see ya so we deadly know them never like the end result no better than fit test me.
Me bad no blood clot to me turn clear. The bag them man want all the work stay. Face flat, poverty bed in 9 pounds. We am poor in a brain, lift like a crane. Mac 11 clad try side when he aim. Silent killer, right on your lane. Oh you say your bad you do suppose picture frame.
So now people, Alkaline released a new single that is entitled Open a Brain. And people, this song is just for clarify. Say Alkaline well want buck Masicka to bust out him head wide open and look down in him brain. Yeah man, people, the vendetta boss running pon the swamp and when him look, him no see nobody. The swamp empty, the crocodile them cut when them see the vendetta boss. And people, this is just for make Masicka know say, you can't say you a bad boy for all of these years and you a big coward, you're afraid to defend yourself basically. Alkaline and make Masicka know say, hey boy, if you think you're bad, just put a foot. Just crawl out of the gully, make me open your brain wide. You see me I say? So basically, the man all make Masicka know say, hey boy, you just a talk bad and you just a act bad, but you was a big coward. Yeah man people, Masicka run from the war, Masicka can hide the real crocodile, the one side genocide. You understand what I mean people? But people, I want to remember, you know, and Masicka did come out and say, them afraid of him, you fuck, you know, and go up on all on stage and I say, at the end of the day, him would a war, Alkaline. Right there so. And people remember on stage is not a clashing platform. So them time the Masicka basically I say and I make Alkaline know say hey boy anywhere me buck you me with dirt you right there so right then and there. So people how comes now when Alkaline the vendetta boss running for Masicka the swamp empty people. Yeah man the crocodile them run gone and a peep. And basically people we all know how crocodile operate. You see me I say crocodile is a peaceful creature viewers and subscribers where at the end of the day if you no trouble the crocodile not trouble you. But you see once you trouble the crocodile him a go let out him rage and him wrath on you. Well basically Masicka is not portraying that side of the crocodile because right now Masicka run up and down. People don't get me wrong, lyrically Masicka one of the baddest. You see me I say Evil Vibes Cartel they come out and make you know say Masicka are the baddest thing after him. But we all know say at the end of the day Masicka can't look on the vendetta boss like how him did look on Skeng. And basically enough people would say at the end of the day remember you know as Skeng did a run things them time there you know when Masicka run down even though Skeng wasn't at Masicka stage. You understand what I mean? But him can't say Alkaline on them stage. People can't say yo Alkaline are relevant because even though him not have the biggest them now, Alkaline ever stay relevant viewers and subscribers. And them two last tune here where Alkaline push out off of Masicka. This directly make Masicka know say, hey boy, every day you talk say you bad. Run in and make the vendetta boss get for dirty. You see me? Because we all know say the vendetta boss bad when it comes to war. You see me? Is a vendetta boss is a man where yeah, him go up with the greatest, him go up with Vibes Cartel. Yo, the man kill Popcorn 2 times. You understand what I mean viewers and subscribers? So basically, me don't say where Masicka I try to prove when Cause me mind up people, Masicka no have no big guns under him belt in no viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? Masicka go kill some little small fish. You understand what I mean? Like DeMarco and Sean Diesel and them man there. And at the end of the day, viewers and subscribers, them man there is not a clashing artist. And even though you have some people who say, yo, the man dirt Sean Diesel career, etc., etc. But that still not prove nothing because at the end of the day, the man they're not no big gun when it comes to war. When it comes to clashing tune, you see me I say? And basically too, me no say why Masicka run because Masicka fully bad. And me feel like say, yo, this would be one of the biggest war. Furthermore, at the end of the day, me know say I know me alone feast. This would be one of the best war in a dancehall after Vybz Kartel and Mavado. You see me I say? And them man have to know say that's why them not go ever left from under Kartel and Mavado era. You see me I say? Because at the end of the day, just like we have the Beanie and the Bounty era, and Vybz Kartel and Mavado come do them own thing and change that thing, you see me? Them man are not go do that, viewers and subscribers, because at the end of the day, the man them a play like a coward. Here where the man them a tell themselves, say, oh, we big and we won now and we not for war no boy. But in a dancehall people, we all know say, yo, you have to show your strength. You see me I say, Vybz Kartel would have never ever see a man a throw shades off of him so where he's at a high caliber. It's not like say, it's a lesser artist fame. You see me I say, and Vybz Kartel now answer, you're mad. Them man they make it before you put out 2 tunes. Them man they have 3 or 4 out there already. So me don't know where Masicka do. You see me, cause people, we all know say Tyrant is a big song. Masicka have only a big song. Him not put out song regular, but at the end of the day when him put out one, yeah, believe me, the earth shake. You see me I say? So basically, me not see where I run from the war for people. You see it? Because at the end of the day, you know, remember Masicka know Alkaline potential, and Alkaline also know Masicka potential. You understand what I mean? So at the end of the day, me no see where you go run from a man when you know say you're fully bad. You believe into yourself say you're fully bad. You see me? So right now Masicka for run out and crawl out of the gully. Yeah man, tap your hiding and the peeping because you can't see Alkaline for your be shut off for you. And at the end of the day, you just a duck and a hide. And I say, yo, me no want him see me, you know. You see me I say viewers and subscribers. But anyways, here what I want to know do. I want to tell me what uno think down into the comment section about all of this. Yeah man, tell me who uno think would have win the war if Alkaline and Masicka face off right now to the day. You see me I say? Because basically we all know say the two of them are two bad artists. You see me? Big up to the two man them to same way cause basically them set them thing. But when me I say Alkaline already prove himself in a dancehall over and over. Remember the man killed the 6. You understand? Enough people that say the man kill Vybz Kartel too in a own style. You see me I say? Yeah, I know enough people are go bash me for that and but the facts is just the facts. You see me? I am not a vendetta fans. You see me? I say people, I am a Gaza fans, but the truth I truth. And you have to give a man them props where the props due.
You accept that Alkaline is ahead right
No,
now?
you have to accept that. You have to know say right now, we talk facts. You understand? If I'm a Kartel, Alkaline, I'm over there right now.
But as well, me say viewers and subscribers, just tell me what uno think down into the comment section. Yeah man, leave your thoughts. Make me know what uno think about the warrior. Where if uno feel like say at the end of the day, Masicka is a runner, and at the end of the day, Alkaline just want buck him for bust off in head. Seriously.
If they never. Are the world famous? Top killer the status. Drum slapping flesh tear up.
So basically, hear me say, if you're watching this channel for the first time, consider to subscribe, like up the video, yeah, also share the content so that other people can be in the know. But you don't know how we do the thing already. Round here, so one Flava family, you see me I say, peace, I'm out.